Next would be Congressman Peter Miguel. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Secretary, magandang hapon po sa bumubuo ng Department of Agriculture. Ang aking pong tanong tungkol po sa ating irrigation, dahil kasalukuyan tayo po yung nag-i-enjoy ng Free Irrigation Service Act. Totoo pong hindi naman nagbabayad yung ating mga rice farmers ng irrigation fee, pero tuwing cropping, nagbibigay pa rin po ng 500 pesos doon po sa Irrigators Association. So yun lang po ang tanong ko dahil tinutolerate pa rin po ng NIA. So the law, it defeated the purpose of the law. Dahil in effect, still our irrigators are paying for what they call the service fee. So yun lang po ang tanong ko po, kung ano po magagawa po natin paraan na talagang totally wala sana isa-sell out na out of the pocket of each farmers to pay for the irrigation. Because the idea of Free Irrigation Act is to let the farmers do the farming and let the NIA do the support system, and that is giving water to irrigation system. So yun po tanong ko, Secretary, paano po natin ito ma-solve? Sana po hindi na maniningil yung situation, kung paano po natin siya ma-regulate. Ano pong gagawin namin as a congressman, baka kailangan ng legislation dito. Pag-usapan natin kung paano natin ma-solve itong problemang still nagbabayad yung farmers ng fee.
Mr. Chair, from what I understand, yung 500 pesos na yan is not being charged by the government but by the association. But I'd just like to ask Nia to clarify that matter. Mr. Chair.
Yes, next you respond.
Mr. Chair, totoo po yun, hindi na nata-charge sa gobyerno. Pero still, nagbabayad at tinotolerate po ng NIA. So, ano na lang gawin natin na maibsantro, mapababa man lang, wag naman yung 500 per hectare po.
Nia, please respond.
Mr. Chair. So the 500 pesos po is the decision of the Irrigators Association. It is approved during the General Assembly as Irrigators Association. And yung collection po nila na 500 is ginagamit nila on their operating expense. Yun po yung as an association.
Yun nga po, pero nakakapag-apil tayo ng
Miguel, could you please state your name and position po para lang for the record?
Engineer Josephine Salazar po, Region 3. Region 3, Regional Manager po.
Okay, thank you. Yes, go ahead.
Mr. Chair, is there anything we can do to police that? I mean, 500 is 500. Mabigat po yun. And in fact, what I'm saying right now is a direct complaint of a simple farmer. As the representative, I would like to voice it out because perhaps we can do something about it. Na pwedeng babaan man lang, no? Kasi sa dami ng farmers at 500, sobra-sobra siguro yung 500 per hectare.
So with me is the Regional Manager of concerned region. Please allow our Regional Manager to answer, please.
Yes, please.
Mr. Chair.
Please state your name and your position.
I'm Regional Manager Justado Rosales, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, actually, we appreciate the initiative of Congressman Miguel because he was actually one of the pushers for the provision of the 500 O&M subsidy, no, na tinaasa natin yan. And one reason is he wanted also to possibly eliminate the collection of the Irrigators Association on their own for operation and maintenance, which is 500. Yes, actually, we are not encouraging them to collect that, no. But since the Farmers Irrigators Association really needs funding for the operation and maintenance of their irrigation system, they decided on their own to collect that, no. And I don't think siguro very few talagang nagrereklamo but majority is in favor of that because nag-trickle down naman ito for a proper operation of their system when it is properly maintained.
Mr. Chair, we understand there is some form of organization. There is an expense running an organization. Pero po, what if we'll devise a way? We'll subsidize the operations of this communal group. It's just out of the box program. I'm just thinking out of the box. Parang effect, wala na po talaga ilalabas yung farmers. The solution, I don't know the exact solution. It's just, I'm bringing this up, baka may magawa po tayo po. Mr. Chair, that's all. Salamat po.
Thank you very much, Congressman Peter Miguel. Second round, no? So we're now in the second